AutoIgnite presence.
So finally, this is the face behind AutoIgnite. मैं हूं प्रतीश and I create cinematic automotive experiences. Today, Mercedes-Benz S500 4MATIC. Let's get into it.
There's a moment when presence is felt before motion begins. On AutoIgnite, that feeling takes shape in Obsidian Black, where silence carries intent. From the Baltic Sea roads of 2026, the Mercedes-Benz S-Class S500 4MATIC appears as a luxury sedan crafted for those who move differently. Powered by a refined petrol, mild hybrid balance, valued globally near $119,000, never officially launched or priced for India, leaving only quiet authority behind. Presence holds still before anything begins to move. A centered stance locks attention against a silent estate backdrop. Chrome grille and digital LED lines set the visual authority. Camera shifts, reflections slide across Obsidian Black surfaces smoothly. Long body stretches, wheelbase balances every proportion and frame. Light hits, contours reveal sculpted aerodynamic flow steadily. Micro precision emerges inside the digital light housing. Detail closes the moment, leaving a lasting imprint of quiet control. Metal holds tension before motion begins inside the frame. Spokes cut light as the center star locks visual focus. Perforated rotor and Bridgestone edge reveal engineered surface intent. Reflections move across black paint as perspective begins to shift smoothly. Camera lifts, expanding scale from detail into full exterior context. Body stretches across gravel, aligned with structured landscape symmetry steadily. Aerial angle shows balance, proportion, and controlled design presence. Scene settles above, leaving a lasting imprint of quiet, elevated authority. Metal tension holds before motion settles across the rear frame. Light tracks along paint as the body aligns with open estate. Surface reflections shift while the camera moves across the profile. Perspective cuts tight as the 4MATIC badge locks technical identity. Red LED pattern forms, revealing layered precision inside the housing. Chrome lettering sharpens as the S500 mark defines position. Scale holds steady while proportions balance against the structured ground. Final frame settles gradually, sealing a quiet imprint of controlled authority and presence. Metal surface locks attention through the rear stance on open ground. Body stretches across gravel while the estate frames controlled positioning. Reflections move along panels as the camera tracks the side profile. Cup pulls tight where the 4MATIC badge defines mechanical authority. Taillight activates, carving layered red precision inside the housing. Chrome S500 lettering fixes identity within the narrowing frame. Scale builds steadily as proportions align with structured surroundings. Final moment settles gradually, leaving a precise and lasting imprint of silent dominance. Steering grip holds focus as ambient light defines cockpit edges. Digital cluster forms depth while information locks driver attention forward. Interface wakes through touch as icons arrange across glass surface. Camera slides revealing central display controlling layered system architecture. Ambient strips trace lines while materials build a composed interior field. Speaker metal patterns catch light as sound presence fills the cabin. Full dashboard expands showing dual screens shaping visual command space. Final frame settles smoothly and steadily leaving a controlled digital dominance. Steering grip holds focus as ambient light defines cockpit edges. Digital cluster forms depth while information locks driver attention forward. Interface wakes through touch as icons arrange across glass surface. Camera slides revealing central display controlling layered system architecture. Ambient strips trace lines while materials build a composed interior field. Speaker metal patterns catch light as visual detail sharpens surface precision. Full dashboard expands showing dual screens shaping visual command space. Final frame settles gradually, leaving a controlled digital imprint. Rear screens activate showing interface icons across display. Touch input triggers system response with structured menu layout. Ambient lighting traces cabin edges defining depth around seats. Cut reveals full rear cabin expanding space behind seats. Quilted leather surfaces show stitching forming tactile visual patterns. Seat controls engage recline as leg rest extends forward. Cabin space adjusts creating extended comfort zone for passenger. Final frame settles gradually and steadily leaving a controlled luxury imprint. A luxury sedan moves forward, sunlight reflecting on black body road opens ahead. Wheels turn steady, suspension absorbs surface, keeping motion calm and controlled. Front grille leads road, LED signature defines sharp identity in frame. Body lines pass camera, smooth motion flowing across engineered surface design. Gear shifts feel seamless, stability holds strong across highway motion flow. Car responds to curve, maintaining grip balance, power across all wheels. Taillights glow as vehicle moves away, leaving strong silent presence behind. Final frame holds calm, luxury fading into distance. A black S-Class rolls forward as wheels cut through open rural road light. Low-angle grip shows motion building with steady, controlled road contact. Camera rises to wide aerial view, revealing full road dominance and scale. The sedan flows through empty highway with silent hybrid power response. Close flyby hits fast as grille and headlights cut through frame. Body stays planted while suspension absorbs every road curve smoothly. Rear view pulls away, showing glowing taillights fading into distance. Final frame holds calm, luxury disappearing into endless open horizon silence. A black S-Class enters rural road motion slowly. Field reflections stretch across body under soft sky steadily. Aerial shift expands space while car follows curved asphalt. Side glide builds stability through balanced rolling road contact. Front grille locks frame with strong commanding presence feel. Rear chase creates tension as taillights pull distance away. Close detail reveals badge with sharp metallic memory lock. Final frame settles calm as car fades into endless quiet horizon distance, drifting further into silence and memory. Aerial view holds sedan inside vast rural scale presence. Fields compress focus as motion narrows into controlled space. Low angle entry hits road with precise, powerful glide. Front grille locks identity, forming strong S-Class presence. Rear motion creates distance but keeps visual memory active. Side tracking restores full shape with stable flowing balance. Body lines reflect light, reinforcing silent luxury authority feel. Final calm settles as S-Class fades identity memory lock. Aerial view locks sedan inside vast rural field geometry. Camera narrows motion into structured environmental flow field. Side tracking begins with calm, controlled surface glide. Aerial expansion shifts perspective into balanced spatial awareness. Rear motion builds identity pull through fading distance trail. High-speed pass strikes frame with sharp authority presence. Front grille detail locks memory through metallic reflection focus. Final calm settles as S-Class gradually fades into distant fading identity memory lock. A black S-Class enters frame already in motion. Rear 3/4 angle builds immediate identity pull. Wheel rotation compresses speed into visual pressure field. Front corner approach tightens focus into grille presence. Side glide stabilizes perception across open rural space. Suburban exit settles calm as identity memory lock fades into distance. Waterfront pass spikes intensity through sharp lateral burst, and it leaves behind a silence that feels intentional, not empty. This is where design stops being object and becomes memory.
The road ends, but the drive never stops. Mercedes-Benz S-500 4MATIC drive the edge. In my opinion, this is built for drivers who want real control. Would you drive it daily or push it to the limit? Comment below and subscribe for more cinematic drives.